let's talk about blush. One of my favorite makeup products, but it can also be very scary if you use too much. So I'm going to take you through my favorite blush, why I like it so much, and the ease in applying it for the spring and summer. Hi everyone! My name is Carrie, aka Glamonista08 here online, and I'm so excited to talk about blush because I don't know if I have. Cosmetics has so many different blushes to try, but I wanted to talk about one of my favorites. The packaging is super chic because the brand is as well. This is the NARS Blush, and I'm going to be talking about the shade Behave in particular today because that's exactly what it does. So NARS is one of those beauty brands that is super high-end, very luxe. The products are great quality, they last all day, so I'm really excited that eCosmetics does offer NARS products at a discounted price, but still the same quality is there, the brand is there, the authenticity is there. Chef's kiss, who could ask for anything better? But I like the shade Behave in particular because it is like the perfect blush shade for pretty much any skin complexion. I know that it looks very light, but it gives just the most natural flush of color without looking frosted, chalky, or too light, so we love that. It comes with a really generous mirror that I just love. Any products that have like a really nice clear open mirror, it's a win-win because you don't have to pack a compact when you travel. But this again is just the perfect matte light blush color that's not too pigmented, but just pigmented enough that it gives you a soft flush of color, which I think is perfect for spring and summer because I tend to be heavy-handed on blushes, and this, you can't be heavy-handed. It's impossible. So what I like to do for blushes for spring and summer, but mainly because I try to go like more soft glam natural, and then I don't care if I'm heavy-handed in the colder months. I take an angled brush and I usually use the base of the angle, the shorter portion, and tap most of the product in. And I focus most of the product on top of whatever my contour is and near the external parts of my face, and use the top part of the brush that didn't have any product to kind of buff it out towards the center. I find that this is really great in keeping your face contoured and chiseled without making your cheeks look too large or adding any like weird, unnatural, clown-like blush effect on your face. And again, with this shade, it is just so magical at giving you the glowing from within, soft, flush, ooh, youthful, here we go, stunning type of look. I 10 out of 10 recommend this blush, and there's so many other blushes by NARS that you can get right from eCosmetics, so run, don't walk. You won't regret it, okay? So again, this is the shade Behave, just in case, write it down. Go grab it from eCosmetics and get your flush of color on while it's trending. Also, bonus tip, I don't think I mentioned this, I do like to apply the blush on the center of my face too, so like my nose, my chin, maybe a little on my forehead. That just gives you a more youthful look, and it makes the flush of color look that much more natural because this is usually where you gain the warmth, or your face will naturally flush and blush. It's not just on the cheeks, it's on the face. So adding a little bit of touches of this in the center, thank me later, okay? Go enjoy your blush from eCosmetics.